Okay, as promised in my last video, I did it. I watched it again, Stranger Things, and oh my goodness. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. This is Cats from K-Cats Arts. Thank you for tuning into my channel. And if you're new here, hit that subscription bell below and subscribe, and then hit the notification bell so you're aware of when the next video comes up. So, like I said in my intro, I watched again. Now, a lot of you contacted me in regards to that. I couldn't believe it. Not only on YouTube, but also personally on Instagram and on Facebook. I don't know how you guys found me, but you did. Yeah, so in my last video, I thought Elle, or the character from Millie Brown, was a boy when I first searched it up. So, and then I said, I'm not too sure if I was into the whole Stranger Things show per se. So, but I did promise in that video that I would watch another episode, just one more episode, and I would make my decision. I'm on episode 3, or season 3, I mean. Oh my goodness, I was so wrong. Oh my gosh, those Debbie critics, oh my god, they freak me out. The whole storyline is fantastic. If you're into that, I don't want to say dark side, because there is to it, but just, okay, I really thought it was aliens, mostly aliens, not like creatures. Oh, I don't want to spoil it, but it's so good. So, my apologies to all the fans of Stranger Things. I'm truly sorry for not giving my best impressions when I made that video. Now I kind of wish that I could redraw that with that oof behind it, even though I did get that oof towards the end. So, for Millie's character that goes by Elle, 11, Jane, I don't know what other names, but I decided to do a little bit of art rock with my Pintar markers. I'm looking for my paper and I can't find it right now, but you know, these guys. Let me reach down there. These Pintar markers right here, or this way. I've done a review with it. Just check it out in my videos. They are amazing, really super easy to use, and I decided to do another piece of art with it. And this is what I created. Boom! 11, because you know she loves her Eggo Waffles, and if you want to learn how to make this look 3D like that, just continue and you'll see the video. Thanks guys for tuning back in. I hope you liked the video. I had so much fun creating this. So easy. Unreal how you could get such details so quickly with these markers. They are amazing. Go in your order yours right now. I will leave the link below. And so yeah. So I hope you like it. It's a nod off or a thank you or I love you because she's my favorite character. 11. I get it now. I totally get it. So again, thank you for tuning in and watching this. I hope you don't mind like the blood drops on the waffles, but I thought it would give more of an L, vibe to it. And I hope you like it. I will spray it and I will include it in this, I promise. Let me pause it here and I will spray it and show you how it turns. So I sprayed it, nice and glossy, shiny. It picks up the colors marvelously. Oh, it just made it even look better. Wow, I just want to eat those Eggos. Gonna put it down to dry. All right. So, anyways, as I was saying, backtrack a little bit. I love the character of Elle. Super convincing, super amazing. If I have to pick another character that I love best, I love them all, but if I have to pick another character I love best, it would have to be Dustin. And then I would say Nancy. I really like her. And then Mrs. Wheeler. She's a hot baby. In season 2, oh my goodness, what happened to her? Oh my gosh, I'm so off the wall sometimes. Anyways, let's get back to focus. Let's do this. I really hope you liked the video. I really enjoyed creating this piece. It was so much fun. And just thank you to everybody that has subscribed and showed their love to me and sent me such kind messages and concern in regards to Stranger Things. I really, honestly, truly appreciate it. And just thank you if you're about to subscribe, because I know you're about to hit that button. Please do so. Hit that notification bell and share my video to your family and friends if you'd like. And did I say hit the notification bell as well? Yeah, so you're aware when the next video comes up. And the subscribe button, awesome. That would be awesome. And what else? Follow me on Instagram at KCatsArts. I should have a script up here that says, boom, 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 this is what I should say. I don't. I wing it. I let it go and just enjoy the fun. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video, like I said before. And just thank you. Thank you. That's all I can say is thank you, because this has been such an amazing journey. And I've met so many of you and talked to so many of you. And it's shocking to me that a community based on art or based on whatever has come together to do this. Like, I have different groups or people that I chat with, and it's not all about art. There's some vegan people. There's also some coloring book people, even though that's kind of art, I guess. And then, of course, my art family. To all of you guys, each and every single one of you, whichever group you're in, I don't care. As long as you're tuning into my channel, that makes me happy. So happy. So thank you. And I think that's pretty much it for this video. So thank you once again for tuning in. And remember always, one love, one life, one purpose. Go out and do some art today, and never let anybody take your dreams away, and follow your heart and do whatever you want to do. And just thank you so much, and have a great and fabulous evening. And again, thank you.